Welcome to the channel where we provide you information on the top emerging technology. Keeping you and your family safe from bacteria and viruses can be challenging, but with the right products, you can keep your whole family safe. Today we are going to go over the fanciest gadgets to kill bacteria and viruses in your home. Aura Smart Air. Take the doubt out of your air quality. The major issues with normal air purifiers is that they don't necessarily inform you on the actual air quality inside your house. There's no way to really tell unless you also buy an air monitor. Aura is the solution, with its built-in technology that not only cleans and analyzes the air, but has a built-in carbon monoxide detector and smoke alarm, along with integrated outside air quality check that compares the inside air to the outside air. Indoor air may seem clean, but there are many pollutants that are constantly adding toxins to your home environment. It is actually 5 times more polluted than the air outside. Aura has 5 different filters to ensure every harmful particle is removed out of the air. First, the air goes through a pre-filter that blocks large particles such as dust, the UV LED filter that kills bacteria and viruses using a photochemical process, HEPA filter that is 99.98% effective on particles 0.3 microns, which is the size of dust. Carbon layer that removes volatile organic compounds like harmful gases, and finally the copper layer that removes smells out of the air. The stereonizer is the final stage where it increases ion levels within closed spaces. With the integrated app, you can review the air quality within your home over time and learn tips how to boost the freshness of the air. Temkho, the hygienic towel infused with charcoal. Towels are one spot that you never think about when it comes to bacteria because you tend to only use it after you are clean. That could not be more wrong. Hundreds of bacteria can be on your towel at this very instant. If your towel has a smell and it's not the laundry detergent, you 100% have bacteria on it. Temkho is a next-generation towel that uses charcoal infused into the fibers. Charcoal is one of the most renewable resources that removes harmful microbes, fungi, and infections within the air. Every time the towel is washed, the charcoal reactivates, giving you a fresh, clean towel that works just as good as when you bought it. The towel comes in 4 different sizes: 13 by 15 inch face towel, 19 by 38 inch hand towel, the 29 by 58 inch bath towel, and finally the 39 by 71 inch bath sheet. That can complete your full bathroom. The major benefit to these towels is that no softener is needed. The cotton used is natural, allowing it to stay soft even after washing many times. UltraSona. Ultrasonic cleaning in the palm of your hand. Cleaning can be a chore, and most of the time you don't actually remove all the dirt, stains, or bacteria. Whether you're cleaning delicate fabrics, fruits, or jewelry, UltraSona uses ultrasonic waves to clean anything down to the microscopic level. With no physical effort, it cleans 99.9% of bacteria, dirt, and grime in a matter of minutes by switching it on. The size of the device allows it to be easily stowed away in your luggage when traveling. And with its quiet operation, you will not even know it's running. UltraSona pulses 50,000 times every second when placed in water. The bubbles it makes are so small and powerful that it eliminates microscopic contaminants from even the toughest grime. The process is completely safe. Fill a container with water, place the UltraSona in water, add detergent, and watch your products clean in front of your eye. This product can help reduce water consumption by 40 times compared to a traditional washing machine. Washing machines are a breeding ground for bacteria, and after many washes, your clothes come out with bacteria and viruses. That can directly result in illness, acne, eczema, and asthma attacks. Egret, virus protection and fast sterilization. Viruses can be difficult to kill in your home, and you cannot wash every piece of furniture constantly. With this patented 100% natural non-toxic spray, Egret kills germs and removes horrible smells within minutes. All you need is water, salt, and Egret to sterilize anything. You can now get rid of your stash of household cleaners and switch to an eco-friendly solution. Using many chemicals to clean your house leaves garbage that cannot be recycled due to the types of harmful products mixed within the containers. With Egret, you can now use one product to clean them all. Electrolyzed water, or EO water, is formed when electricity passes through a salt water mixture. This is the technology behind Egret. EO water eliminates 99.95% of viruses and germs it contacts. It is a sterile and safe way to disinfect anything in your home. RockUBot, the UVC sterilizing, music playing robot. Our beds are full of bugs, germs, bacteria, and mites. And these can be linked to colds, allergies, rashes, asthma, rhinitis, and even hair loss. RockUBot eliminates germs and airborne viruses from your home or hotel, keeping you healthy and safe. It uses UVC light and ultrasonic waves to clean deep into the mattresses. UVC light is proven to kill 99.9% of bacteria and germs. It provides a chemical-free alternative to other disinfectant products. Ultrasonic waves used by the RockUBot killed 100% of the living mites in the tests. Sensors built into the robot are adaptable to any environment, which will allow it to avoid obstacles, overcome terrain, and detect if an edge is near. The RockUBot doesn't just clean, it can also play your favorite music over its Bluetooth speaker, wirelessly charge your phones, and even be used as a handheld disinfectant device. Suoros, the simplest way to clean your bum. Are you one of the many people that hadn't loaded up on toilet paper? With Suoros, you can easily clean your bum without the need for toilet paper ever again. No need for electricity to power this dynamic product. The water pressure in the lines is used to extend the nozzle as well as sending a deliberate stream your way. Attaching to your toilet within minutes, and with the added self-cleaning function, you can be sure it is a healthier way to go. Number 2. Nozzle 1 is used for normal occasions, while Nozzle 2 is used to get into those hard to reach areas. Built with antibacterial components and is CE certified, you can be confident every time you take a trip to the bathroom. Subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss more videos on emerging disinfecting technology and much more. Take care.